Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loops. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for updates of new videos. Today I will show you how to make these beautiful earrings with crochet flowers on jute base. I have used embroidery floss for making the flower leaves and the yellow colored circular crochet thing. Mostly I am making the flower. For that, make a magic circle and then secure it with a slip stitch. I am using a 0.6 mm crochet hook. Okay. After that, after the slip stitch, you are going to do 3 chains. And then in the magic circle, you will be making 3 double crochets. Complete this petal with a chain 3 and then slip stitch into the magic circle. So the first petal is ready. After the slip stitch, we are going to make the second petal. Start with a chain 3 again as earlier, and then 3 double crochets in the magic ring, and then again complete the petal with a chain 3 and then slip stitch into the magic circle again. We will pull the tail of the magic circle in order to make the ring smaller, and we will begin with the third petal again as earlier. This chain 3 followed by 3 double crochets in the ring, and again chain 3 followed by slip stitch into the ring. There will be a total of 5 petals in the magic ring. So we will quickly complete the 5 petals and our flower will be ready. So this is the last petal. We will complete it with chain 3 and then slip stitch into the magic ring, followed by chain 1 and then cut the yarn. So our flower is ready. Now we are going to make the jute base. Take a cardboard and cut it into the circle. The size of the base depends on you. It should be bigger than the flower. Okay. Put some glue at the center and stick the jute thread in the spiral way, just as I have done. So our jute base is ready. We will keep it aside and allow it to dry for a while. Now we are going to make a circular disc with this orangish yellow and blue colored thread. I have taken the yellow colored thread and made a magic ring, secured it with a slip stitch. Okay, then in the magic ring we are going to make 12 double crochets. So first make a chain 3 which will denote the first double crochet, and then into the magic ring we are going to make 11 double crochets. Okay. We are now quickly going to complete our 12 double crochets, that is chain 3 plus 11 double crochets in the magic circle. Going to complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the first chain 3, followed by chain 1, and then cut the yarn. Now I am going to do the blue colored border. For that I have taken blue colored embroidery floss and made a slip knot and inserted the hook into the slip knot. Then insert the hook in any of the stitches of the yellow colored circle and then slip stitch followed by chain 1. Then into the same stitch we are going to do a single crochet. Okay. Then in the following stitch we are going to do 2 single crochets. Okay. Then in the next stitch again 1 single crochet, followed by 2 single crochets in the next stitch. So this is the order which we will maintain throughout the circle, that is 1 single crochet followed by 2 single crochets. So this round will contain a total of 18 single crochet stitches. So now we will quickly complete this round. And finally at the end we will complete this round with a slip stitch followed by chain 1 and then cut the yarn. Our circular disc is ready. Now we will just cut the loose ends to make it look neat. Now finally I am going to make the leaf. For that take the green colored thread and make a slip knot and then insert the hook in it. We are going to do 6 chains. After that, in the second chain from the hook, we are going to do a slip stitch followed by single crochet in the next chain. In the following chain, we are going to do 2 double crochets followed by 1 half double crochet in the next chain, and finally a slip stitch in the last chain. Now going to do the stitches at the opposite end of the chains. So we will begin with a half double crochet in the following chain, okay, followed by 2 double crochets in the next chain, and then a single crochet in the next chain, followed by a slip stitch into the next chain, and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. So our leaf is also ready. So everything is ready, we just need to attach these together. I prefer using fabric glue for sticking the crochet things that I make with the threads, and I used Fevicol for sticking the jute to the cardboard. Okay, now take a earring hook and attach it to the disc as I have done. Now we are going to join the disc with the jute base using jump rings. I have already made a hole in the jute base using a pin or a needle, and then inserted the jump ring in it, and now we are going to join the disc to the jump ring, and we will tighten the jump ring using pliers. Now just attach the ghungroos at the bottom using the jump rings only. Insert the jump ring at the bottom, and in the jump ring we will insert 3 ghungroos as I have done, and then tighten it using pliers. At the end, just attach the bead at the center of the flower, because if you do it earlier it may fall off, as it has done in my case. Okay, so finally our earrings are ready. This is completely my creation. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you liked my video, then please hit the like button and comment in the comment section for any queries. And thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.